बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय।
राधा रानी की
जय।
श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की
जय।
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहा दावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयः कैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृता स्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनं नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्गुंहदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। रिद्धि सिद्धिदाता सिद्धि सदन वारन वदन सुमिरो बारंबार मदन कदन के लाल गणपति कृपा निधान ज्ञान खानी आनंद भवन देहु मोहि वरदान वर्णो भाषा भागवत जय शिव आनंद भूतनाथ भव भय हरण भक्ति विषय निर्द्वंद गौरवरण मंगल करण हे ब्रज चंद्र मुकुंद ब्रजभूषण दूषण हरण काटहु भव भय फंद चरण शरण ली आनंद जय 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 जगदीश सेवत शेष महेश अज महिमा अमित अभेद वेद भेद जानत ने देहु मोहि वरदान राधावर यह वर सदा प्रेम भरी मुस्कान नित चित में कट काट रहे मोहि चाहिए कछ नाही और बस प्रभु जात की, बसी रहे मन माही, यह बाकी झाकी सदा, लिए लकुटिया हाथ, गायन के पीछे पीरत, ग्वाल बाल लिए साथ, मोर मुकुट शिर पर कर मुरली उर्मार, शीश मुकुट कटी पीत पट, या छविसो नंदलाल, बसहु हृदय मम निशि दिवस, गुरुपद रज धर शीश, कहूँ भागवत की कथा, जो शुकदेव मुनीश की, परीक्षित निप अति शोभये, निगम कल्पतरो गलितं फलम्, शुकमुखादमृतद्रव संयुतं, पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम्, मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि डोंट टच इट, भुवि भावुका, मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, बोले राधा रानी की जय, भक्ति महादेवी की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। भक्त वृंद, महानुभाव, प्रिय सज्जनों, there is devotees of the Supreme Lord, the divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to each and every one of you listening, looking at us. As we again come to you through the means of virtual satsang, tonight, our third night of the Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran Yagna, as we commemorate and celebrate the wonderful occasion of Shri Krishna Janmashtami, the birthday of our beloved, supreme beloved Lord. Well, appearance day, to be more correct and more precise. Tonight's katha, 10वें स्कंद 8वें अध्याय की कथा है। 8वें अध्याय, ये कथा है भगवान का बहुत सुंदर लीला है। 10वें स्कंद भागवत का सार है और महारास पंचाध्याय तो प्राण है। 10वें स्कंद क्योंकि भगवान का जन्म इत्यादि लीला इसमें रचित है, सबसे प्रमुख है। तो इस 10वें स्कंद, क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं भाई भगवान का जन्म मनाने जा रहे तो थोड़ा लीला सुनाइए, ज़्यादा फिलॉसफी हम सुनेंगे, थोड़ा लीला भी हमको सुनाइए. Tonight's katha is from the 10th canto, 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran. The 10th canto of Bhagavat is most important. And the 10th canto, the part describing, the 5 chapters describing Maharas's life. But 10th canto is so important because it gives the birth, the appearance of Bhagavan Shri Krishna and his wonderful pastimes. So devotees have been saying, philosophy is very important, and you have been given us philosophy, but we want to hear, because we're celebrating the appearance, the birthday, the appearance of our beloved Lord, please give us some sweet leelas also, divine pastimes. So tonight we are going to look, from now on, pastimes of Sri Krishna. Bal Charitra, his childhood spots. Janma manane ja rahe, we're going to celebrate appearance, so Bal Leela, his childhood spots. And the childhood spots were done until the age of 11 and a half years. He spent in Vrindavan. Then he went to Mathura and Dwarika, etc. So tonight, one such very sweet and beautiful Leela, we're going to listen. We'll hear some philosophy also. We'll hear the sweet Leela, his Bal Leela, Bal Charitra, the childhood spot of Bhagwan, that Supreme Lord. ये जो जगत पिता है, the Veda says, Tamishwaranam paramam maheshwaram, tam devatanam paramam cha daivatam, patim patinam paramam parastad, vidama devam bhuvaneshamidyam. Shvetashvataro Upanishad, chapter 6, verse 7. Tamishwaranam paramam mahesh. He is the God of all gods, supreme Param Brahma, the Lord of all the devatas, the husband, the ruler, governor of the entire universe, the Lord, the Father of all souls. वो पुत्र बन गया. He has become somebody's son. He was the father of the entire universe. वो पुत्र बन गया. अब इतना, such a sweet leela that he, Jagat Pita, he's become Nandanandan, the son of Nanda, Yashoda Nandan, the son of Yashoda, Devaki Nandan, Vasudev, etc. It is sweet leela of the Lord. So we begin tonight's katha by singing a very beautiful pad written by the great saint, the greatest saint, my book, Kripalu Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. In your books, you can turn to page 20. A gopi, one gopi is asking her friend, have you seen Shri Krishna? And she says, yes, I've seen the dark complexion one. The one who is darkish in complexion. I've seen him. I've seen him, he's playing that sweet divine flute. The divine flute he's playing, and he's been taking the cows to pasture behind the cows. On his shoulder, he has the black kambal, a black shawl, and a golden stick, lakuti. He's wearing pitambar, yellow clothes, silken clothes that is fluttering in the wind. He's given side glances as he's going. The gopis are all looking at him. And he's turning again and looking at them, wounding them, their heart with his sidelong glances. Together with him, his friends, Dhan Sukha, Man Sukha, Shridama, etc. Uncountable. Thousands and thousands of cowherd boys. And from a distance, he looks around also at Yashoda Maiya. Looking at her, she looks at him longingly as he goes to take the cow also. Hum dekhe shamal gaat re, hum dekhe shamal gaat re.
हम देखे शामल
Her mic is too loud.
हम देखे शामल गात रे
Oh, hum dekhe shamal gaat re, hum dekhe shamal gaat re.
हम देखे शामल गात रे हम देखे शामल गात रे
मधुर मधुर धुनि बेनु बजावत,
मधुर मधुर धुनि वेणु बजावत
ओ मधुर मधुर धुनि बेनु बजावत,
मधुर मधुर धुनि वेणु बजावत
गैयन पाछे जात रे, हम देखे शामल गात रे.
राधे गैयन पाछे जात रे हम देखे शामल गात रे
ओ हम देखे शामल गात रे, हम देखे शामल गात रे.
हम देखे शामल गात रे हम देखे शामल गात रे
कांधे कनकल कुटी कामरियर,
कांधे कनक कुति कामरियर
कांधे कनकल कुटी कामरियर,
कांधे कनक कुति कामरियर
ओ पीतांबर फहरात रे, हम देखे शामल गात रे.
राधे पीतांबर पहरात रे हम देखे शामल गात रे
ओ हम देखे शामल गात रे, हम देखे शामल गात रे.
हम देखे शामल गात रे हम देखे शामल गात रे
ओ चितवनी चोट चलावत मुरी मुरी,
चितवन चोट चलावत मुरी मुरी
चितवनी चोट चलावत मुरी मुरी.
चितवनी चोट चलावत मुरी मुरी
ओ मंद मंद मुस्कात रे, हम देखे शामल गात रे.
हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
ओ हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
संग धन सुख मन सुख श्री दामा,
संग धन सुख मन सुख श्री दामा।
ओ संग धन सुख मन सुख श्री दामा।
संग धन सुख मन सुख श्री दामा।
ओ अगणित सखन जमात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात।
राधे अगणित सकल जमात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
ओ हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
हो झूमी कृपालु चलत पुनि देखत,
झूमी कृपालु चलत पुनि देखत।
ओ झूमी कृपालु चलत पुनि देखत,
झूमी कृपालु चलत पुनि देखत।
ओ घूमी यशोमती मात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
राधे घूमी यशोमती मात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
ओ हम देखे 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 श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
ततस्तु भगवान कृष्णो वयस्य ब्रजबालकैः, सह रामो ब्रजश्रीणां चिक्रीडे जनयन्मुदम्। कृष्णस्य गोप्यो रुचिरं वीक्ष्य कौमारचापलम्, शृण्वत्या किल तन्माधुरिति होचु समागता। देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
हम देखे श्यामल गात रे, हम देखे श्यामल गात रे।
बोले बाल गोपाल की।
जय।
भगवान अब ग्वालों के साथ और बलराम के साथ भी दोनों भगवान खेलने लगे, ग्वालों को लेके खेलने लगे। तो गोपी जन इसको देखकर बहुत आनंदित हुए। भगवान तो नटखट और भक्तों के अनुसार, भावना के अनुसार तमाम लीला करने लगे। ये गोपी लोग, गोपी जन भगवान की इच्छा के अनुसार मैया के पास जाके भगवान की शिकायत करने लगे कि हे मैया, ये आपका जो लाला है बहुत भोरा लगता है, भोरी भारी, बहुत भोरा है। आप सोचते हैं, आप नहीं जानते ये क्या क्या करते हैं। कन्हैया, together with Balram, they're small little boys, and together with the cowherds, they're performing so many kinds of pastimes now, playing. And the gopis, the cowherd women, seeing these pastimes of the Lord, they are filled with so much bliss and happiness. And to the wish of Bhagwan, Kanhaiya, the gopis, they go to Maya to complain about things he has done. He is very naughty, Natakat. So they say, Maya, you think your Kanhaiya is so innocent? He looks so innocent. You have no idea what he does, and you think in front of you, he looks very innocent, but Maya, you don't know what he does. Maya says, what does my Kanhaiya do? My Lala? He's here with me all the time. Are Maya. बछड़े को छोड़ के समय होते है दूध पीने का, इससे पहले छोड़ देते हैं, वो सारे दूध पी लेते हैं, सारे के सारे दूध, और हमारे घर घुस के सारे मक्खन दही सब कुछ खा लेते हैं। जो नहीं खा सकते बंदरों को खिलाते हैं, और जो बंदरों को नहीं खाते हैं तो मटकी को फोड़ देते हैं। अरे मैया, you have no idea, Maya. There are times, those who take care of cows would know, they take the cow to the pasture, and then early in the morning, then late in the evening, the calves are fed. Before time, he lets go the calves and they go and drink all the milk. He goes and speaks to the calves. That Lord, who doesn't refuses to speak to great Rishi Muni, he goes and speaks to the calves. Are you hungry? Do you want milk? And he lets them go. And they go and drink all the milk. Then he goes into our homes and he knows where we have kept the dahi, the yogurt, fresh yogurt and the fresh butter. He eats his belly full together with his friends, and what he cannot eat, he starts feeding the monkeys. And when the monkeys can't eat, he takes a stone and breaks the pots that store the dahi and the yogurt and the butter. और जिसके घर में जाके कुछ नहीं मिलते हैं, अगर नहीं मिलते हैं तो उनके बच्चे को रुलाते हैं. And if he goes to somebody's home and doesn't get any butter or dahi or anything, he makes the children cry. He pinch them, make them cry. He's so naughty. You may be thinking, Bhagwan is, what kind of Bhagwan is this? Bhagwan should not perform certain actions. Bhagwan does everything like us. हम लोग जो भी कार्य करते क्यों करते हैं? We people, whatever action we perform in the world, why do we perform any action? Because we want something. We're lacking. We want something. What do we want? We want happiness, sukh, anand. Bhagwan is Anand himself, raso vaisa rasagvam. He is ras, bliss, Anand. Why should he do anything? Why should the saints do anything? लोक कल्याण के लिए. भक्त हेतु भगवान प्रभु राम धरऊ तनु भूप किए चरित पावन परम लेकिन प्राकृत नर अनुरूप. For the sake of his devotees, those who love him, the Lord, the Supreme Lord takes a form. He descends in the world. Every action he performs is supremely sacred, purifying for the benefit of the world, his devotees. Yet he behaves like an ordinary human being, worse than an ordinary human being sometimes. No one benefits. People see these actions and they go crazy of the Lord. Why did Bhagwan do this? Why did Bhagwan do that? And then they have doubts. Ram is God? Yes. Supreme Brahm, Supreme Lord. And he hid behind a tree and killed somebody? Killed Bali? Bali? He's having amorous pastimes with the gopis who are the wives of other men. Stealing. All action beyond our comprehension. We should never try to understand the action of Bhagwan. बस इसमें रस लेना है, रस. We just have to get joy, bliss, that the Supreme Lord, who is the governor of Maya, is performing such wonderful pastimes, like somebody who is under the control of Maya. Just to give us that bliss and happiness, he comes to our level, below our level. Don't try to understand. Waha buddhi mat lagao, don't apply your intellect. Remember, I've told you many times, भगवान और संत के पास एक शक्ति है, योग माया. उस योग माया के द्वारा अपने योग में रह के दिव्य होके माया का कार्य करते हैं. Through the power of Yog Maya, Yog, not Maya, Yog plus Maya. This is a very special power of Bhagwan. Kartum akartum manyatha kartum samarthaha. Ved. That which makes the impossible possible. He remains divine on the inside, God and the saint also. Divine, yet are able to perform all the works of Maya seemingly, externally. Has no greed, seems to be performing action of greed. Has no anger, seems to be performing of action of anger, killing Rakshas, killing Brahman, fighting, quarreling, getting married, having children, have no lust, perform an action of lust, etc. Everything like us, everything. Looking from the outside. But keep in mind all the time. We can't understand because we cannot do. When we do anger, action of anger, it's because we are angry. When we do action of lust, because we have lust. We do action of greed because we have greed. We can't understand the stage. Someone has no lust, no anger, no greed, yet can perform all these actions. This is a Yoga Maya. That's why we have to be very careful when we listen to Katha, read the scriptures. Do not take your material mind and intellect and try to understand the action of God and the saints. You meet a saint, why is he doing like this? Why? No, that is Nam Aprad. The moment you apply your intellect, you have committed the greatest unpardonable sin. Akshamya. Just enjoy. Know that whatever God and the saints, because they don't have an aim. हम लोग स्वार्थी है. We have a selfish desire. We want whatever we do in the world, whatever. Everyone is selfish in the world. Sarva swartam samihate. I'm not selfish. Really? Are you a saint? I love to help others. I am so selfless. This is your pride, your pride. You can't see, it is so subtle. Once you're under Maya, there has to be a selfishness. Only God and the saints are selfless. Because they don't have anything to attain. They have attained everything. They have everything. So whatever God and the saints do, it's only for the sake of others. It's called Paropakar. Tushraji says in the Ramayana, Paropakar vachan man kaya sant sahaj swabhav khagraya. By words, thoughts and deeds, the saints and Bhagavan are benevolent. Whatever they do is Paropakar, only for the sake of others. Nothing for themselves. We like to think we are the same way. Our ego. So, don't try to understand. Just enjoy. This is what I'm trying to say here. इसमें रस लेना है बस रस. So, एक चीखा वो टांगते हैं छत पर. तो ये गोपी लोग जानते हैं गोपी जन की ये आके चोरी करेंगे तो टांगते हैं छत में. लेकिन वो तरह तरह से बना के ऊपर जाके एक के ऊपर जाके और ठोर देते हैं. The gopis, knowing that the Shamsundar is going to come and together with his cowherd friends, and they're going to steal all the makhan, the butter, and sometimes the monkeys will steal also. So they take the pots, and they make a thing that they hang the pots in, little like a basket, like in the roof, made of rope, strings, so that the children wouldn't get it, the cows wouldn't get it, the cowherd boys, not the monkeys will get it. But he is very smart, this Kanhaiya. He takes tables or whatever, one boy goes on top of the other. They create, a pyramid. They climb on each other's shoulder, and then Kanhaiya is the one on top, and he steals the butter and shares to everybody. So, you are thinking, Maiya, कि ये बहुत भोरे है, that he is so innocent. अब घर में रोशनी है जहां हम रखते हैं मक्खन इत्यादि, तो इतना गहने पहनते हैं, तो गहने से जब वो जाते हैं तो रोशनी निकलते हैं, और वो रोशनी से सब कुछ चोरी करते हैं. And there are certain places in the home where the dahi and the makhan, the butter, fresh butter is kept. It's very dark. But Sri Krishna, because his father is Nanda, the king, is the chieftain in Vrindavan, so he's very rich. So Maya puts on so much jewels for Kanhaiya, the most beautiful of gems, that when you go in the dark, light comes out. So there's no need for light from his ornaments. Light automatically comes. And he's able to see in the dark, and so he steals everything. Together with his cowherd friends. और मैया आपके बगल में बैठ के इतने भोरे लगते. And Maya, he's sitting next to you and looking so innocent, and Maya starts laughing. अब ये सुन के मैया हंसने लगी. Maya does not believe, she starts laughing. And the gopis say, आप क्या करें? मैया से क्या कहें? And the gopis, they give up. They say, it doesn't make any sense saying anything to Maya. She will never believe anything we say to her about her Kanhaiya. We continue the Katha, page 27. मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके लोचन रसाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके लोचन रसाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
हो जाके नीले नीले गाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके नीले नीले गाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
ओ मेरो प्यारो नंद लाल.
ओ मेरो प्यारो नंद लाल.
ओ मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
ओ जाके होठ लाल लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके होठ लाल लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके घूंघर वाले बाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
जाके घूंघर वाले बाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल.
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल.
ओ मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
एकदा गृहदासीषु यशोदानंद गेहिनी कर्मांतर नियुक्तासु निर्ममंथ स्वयं दधे. यानि यानि हि गीतानि तद्बालचरितानि च दधे निर्मर्थने वा काले स्मरन्ति तानि गायत. मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल.
हो जाके टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
जाके तेरी मेरी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
ओ प्यारो प्यारो नंद लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
प्यारो प्यारो नंद लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल।
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल।
ओ मतवारी मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
पति सुत पितु लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
पति सुत पितु लाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
ओ नाचे गोपी जन ताल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
नाचे गोपी जन ताल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
ओ वो तो कारण बिनु ही कृपाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
वो तो कारण बिनु ही कृपाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
ओ मेरो प्यारो नंद लाल मेरो।
प्यारो नंद लाल।
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल
ओ मेरो मदन गोपाल।
ओ मतवारी
राधे
मतवारी मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
मतवारी प्यारी चाल मेरो यशोदा को लाल।
बोले बाल गोपाल की।
जय।
एक दिन सभी कोई छुट्टी कोई त्योहार ऐसे कोई दिन तो यशोदा मैया अकेली घर में थी। कोई नौकर चाकर कोई नहीं थे। तो यशोदा मैया ने सोचा कि आज लाला के लिए मैं मक्खन बनाऊंगी अपने लाला के लिए। तो मैया मटकी लेके बैठ गए, मटने लगी। There's some special holiday or something, and all the servants and all the maids and everyone has been given a holiday. So Maya alone is home. There's no servant, no maid servant, no one. Normally, Nanda Baba is the chief. There's so much, there's a great big palace, so much servants, etc. But it is important. So many cows. 9 lakh गाय, 900,000 cows. Now who's going to milk all the cows and churn all the dahi and all that? So there are so many servants. Today Maya alone is there. She thought, I'm going to make fresh butter, makhan, for my Lala. Kanhaiya likes makhan. Name Makhan Chor. Steal off makhan. Actually, Chitta Chor. But he just steals that makhan because the gopi wants him to steal it. Anyhow, one whose home there was 900,000 cows, milk in cows, and the kind of cows, over 40 kilo of milk at one time, not the kind of cow in Kalyug. Why would he go steal from somebody's home? It's because the gopi wants him to. A desire. To fulfill the desire of his devotee, whatever devotee wants, the Lord has to do. It gets a name, it's fine. Bhagavan doesn't care. We care, Bhagavan doesn't care. We look for good name in the world. It's important that everybody think very highly about me. We are no good, but we want good name. If anybody say anything, we do so much things to clear our name. We don't try to be good in the true sense of the word. We just want that we should be seen to be good. Good means on the inside. Sadhu, the saint, that's a saint. As long as we are under Maya, we have all the faults in us, greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust. To clear that, to fix all of that, then we'll be good. No one tries to. Instead, we must look good in everybody's eyes. Anyhow, and Kanhaiya, Bhagwan, who is good personified, doesn't care to have a good name. He gets the worst name when he comes in the world. Bhagwan and the saints. Anyhow, so Maya she sits with the churner and a huge pot, and she's churning the dahi, the yogurt, to make fresh butter. इतने में छोटे से कन्हैया आया और मैया के पास जाके दूधू दूधू, भूख लगी मैया दूधू. Little Kanhaiya comes and he's going to Maya, Maya, Maya. I am so hungry. Please give me some milk. In his baby talk, I start talking like a baby, then you will all just go crazy anyhow. So he talks in the baby talk. So Maya, she's already thinking, she was singing and thinking about all the wonderful pastimes of Kanhaiya. While she was churning, she was thinking and singing about all the wonderful pastimes. So her heart was already overflowing with love. The milk in her breast was already flowing, just thinking about Kanhaiya. So now he has come and he's hungry. She immediately picks him up, put him to her breast and starts suckling him. और दूध पीने लगे तो मैया ने अंगीठी में दूध रखी थी. दूध और दूध उबालने लगे. अब कोई अगर दूध रखते हैं अग्नि में और देखते नहीं तो क्या होते हैं आप लोग जानते. तो ये आवाज सुने मैया, तो मैया ने कन्हैया को उठा के फटक दिया नीचे और भाग गए रसोई में. और कन्हैया को गुस्सा आई. Now while Kanhaiya is kicking his charan and he is enjoying drinking milk from Maiya's breast, the sweet milk from Maiya's breast. Maiya had put milk to boil. Remember, Maya alone is in the home today. She had put milk to boil over the stove. Well, not the stove like that we have. Old. In the olden days, there was wood, firewood, and an earthen fireplace. And the milk was put. And if you don't keep looking at the milk and you put it to boil over the fire, you know what happens? The milk flows over. So suddenly Maya heard the sound, shh, the milk, in other words, it flew over, it came over the pot. Maya remembered, Hare Bhagwan. I had put milk, so she took Kanhaiya, who was drinking and enjoying, put him in the ground. And she ran to the kitchen. Because all the milk is going to flow over. And Kanhaiya got angry. He was enjoying himself. ये मैया ने क्यों ऐसा किया? और कन्हैया को बहुत गुस्सा आया. वो ओठ फटने लगी. आंख लाल हो गई. ये मैया ऐसा क्यों किया मैया? तो गए वहां जहां मैया ने दही वगैरह रख दिया और एक पत्थर को लेके सबको फोड़ दिया. गुस्से में फोड़ दिया और मक्खन खाने लगे जितना खा सकते, और जो नहीं खा सकते बंदरों को खिलाने लगे गुस्से में. मैया, now Kanhaiya has become very angry. Because he was enjoying, he was having such a, first to begin, Maya loves Kanhaiya. He was enjoying her love besides the milk that is more sweet than nectar coming from Maya's breast. But her love, that love we can't even understand, that Maya has for Kanhaiya. So he's enjoying himself in all ways, and Maya just grabs him and throws him on the ground in that haste to run to the kitchen, and he gets angry. His lips are trembling with anger, his eyes become red. And so he wants to take revenge. So he takes a stone. There's something called a seal. Long ago, didn't have this mixie and all this. So there was a lodha and seal that they will take and do the masala, grind the herbs, etc. So this loha, he took that, and where Maya had kept all the makhan, well, where she normally stored all the makhan and all the fresh butter and the dahi, etc., he went and started breaking all the pots in that anger. अब इतना गुस्सा आ गया. So he's become so angry. Little boy. I'm telling you, this is all Yog Maya. वही योग माया से भगवान ने अपनों को भुलाया और भक्तों को भी भुलाया. भगवान यहां रस लेना है ना. Bhagwan wants to enjoy. So through that power of Yog Maya, two things he did. First, he made himself forget that I am Bhagwan. And he also made the devotees forget. So he can enjoy. If Maya thinks that this is a Bhagwan, if Maya has any idea this is a Bhagwan, do you think she will try to beat him and scold him? She's going to put him on some beautiful throne and do Aarti whole day? All Maya knows, this is my Lala, my loving son, I love him dearer than my life. That's all Maya knows. And Kanhaiya also, he knows, this is my Maya, I love her so much. That's all he knows. Through Yog Maya, he's forgotten he's Bhagwan also. This is that magic of Yog Maya, that Bhagwan also forgets. Don't try to understand. Don't even try. We don't have Yog Maya, so how can we understand? So now he's eaten. In Naranga he's eaten. The whole face is all filled with this makhan. And then what he cannot eat, the monkeys are there, he's feeding the monkeys. Everywhere there's butter and there's curd, everywhere there's yogurt, everywhere. The whole place is a mess. Maya returns. She comes back now and she sees this big mess. There's makhan everywhere, yogurt in the whole place, butter everywhere. There's a big mess. Page 55. Hari bol, hari bol, hari bol. Hari bol, hari bol, hari bol,
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Oh, hari bol, hari bol, hari bol. Hari bol, hari bol,
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल बोल ले ले हरि मोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल.
हरि बोल बोल ले ले हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
Ah, by chanting Hari, Hari bol. This name of Shri Krishna, Hari. Hari means Shri Krishna. With love in your heart, you chant Hari bol. Shri Krishna will become your slave. He becomes a slave of that devotee. Hari bol bol le le Hari mol. Hari bol Hari bol.
हरि बोल बोल ले ले हरि मोल हरि बोल हरि
Oh, Hari bol Hari bol.
हरि बोल हरि बोल
Oh, Hari bol Hari bol.
हरि बोल हरि बोल
Hari bol Hari bol Hari bol. Hari bol Hari bol.
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Wherever we are, whatever you're doing, the only thing should come from your mouth. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. जहाँ वहाँ, यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ कहीं मुख खोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल.
यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ कहीं मुख खोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ मुँह, यहाँ वहाँ, यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ मुख, यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ कहीं मुख खोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल.
यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ कहीं मुख खोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
ओ हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि
हरि.
बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल.
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल.
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
न चान्तर्न बहिर्यस्य न पूर्वं नापि चापरं. पूर्वापरं बहिश्चान्तर जगतो यो जगयश्च यः. तद् तत्ताम बध्यमानस्य स्वर्भाकस्य कृतागसः. द्वयांगोकुल मुक्तेन संदधेनश्च गोपिका. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
यह नाम रतन अनमोल. The name of Bhagwan is the greatest treasure. With the value, we can't put a value. God sits in the name. वो नाम में बैठे हैं. There's no difference between God and the name. The greatest treasure is the name of Bhagwan. यह नाम रतन अनमोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल.
यह नाम रतन अनमोल हरि बोल हरि
Therefore,
बोल
everyone, wherever you are, keep chanting Hari Bol. इत बोल उत बोल जित बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
इत बोल उत बोल जित बोल हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Ah, whether you're coming or going, whether you're eating, you're drinking, you're sleeping, keep chanting Hari Bol all the time. आते जाते खाते पीते जब भी बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
आते जाते खाते पीते जब भी बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
आते जाते खाते पीते जब भी बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
आते जाते खाते पीते जब भी बोल हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
हरि
बोल
बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि
ओ
बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
बोले बाल गोपाल की
जय।
कन्हैया लाल की
जय
अब मैया आया मैंने देखा मैं समझ गया ये लाला ने सब किया हंसने लगे मन में हंसने लगी तो जाके अंदर देखा कन्हैया ने एक कुर्सी को रख के इसके ऊपर जाके और ताजा मक्खन लेके बंदरों को खिला रहे थे तो चोरी चोरी से पीछे गए और हाथ में छोटी सी लकड़ी लेके गए उसको डराने के लिए और कन्हैया ने देखा मैया लकड़ी लेके आए अब पिटाई होगी डर गया और वहां से भाग गए So Maya now she knows. She's seen this total mess everywhere. There is makhan, there's butter, there is dahi everywhere. All the pots are broken. Lala has done this. He's got angry because I took him and threw him in the ground and I went to put the milk from boiling over. She's laughing in her heart, in her mind. She's laughing. But she decides, remember Maya knows, all Maya knows this is her child. And all mothers, it's a nature to discipline the child. When the child does something wrong, it's necessary to discipline. If the mother lets the child do whatever they want, then today they do something small and then they will keep doing, and eventually they'll do the worst. A lot of times parents spoil the child. They want the child to think I'm the best parent in the world. And that ends up being the worst thing. A child comes home today with a pencil and the mother never gives the child the pencil. Now if it's a mother doing her duty in the correct way, hey, where did you get that pencil? And the child says, Maya, Mummy, I found it somewhere. You found it? Go in the corner, no food for you. or maybe give a slap also too. Discipline. But a mother not doing the correct duty would say, "Where did you get that pencil?" "Maya, I found it somewhere." "Oh, so wonderful. What a nice pencil." And today the child will steal a pencil, tomorrow will steal, who knows when they get big, will steal an aeroplane. So the parent disciplines. So Maya thought, she's enjoying this naughtiness of Kanhaiya, that he got angry because I put him in the ground. Took him that he was enjoying the milk, breast milk. And he was hungry, and then I deprived him of that. So he got angry and he did all of this, but I have to discipline him. So Maya, when she saw that Kanhaiya took a stool and put it by the window, he had eaten his belly fill, and now he was feeding the monkeys with the fresh butter. So Maya crept easily into the room with a little stick in her hand. Little stick. Just to make him, that he should get afraid that I did something wrong and he shouldn't do it again. Not to beat him. That's to make him afraid. And Kanhaiya sees Maya with the stick. Oh, and he knows I've done wrong thing. So what does he do? He starts to run. And Maya is running after him. अब वो भगवान दौड़ते हैं और जीव कैसे पकड़ेंगे? और मैया तो बुढ़िया. पकड़ नहीं सकती. हाँफने लगी. कुछ दूर जाके मैया हाँफने लगी. So Kanhaiya is a little boy who's running, plus he's Bhagwan. Can you catch Bhagwan? All powerful, omnipotent. How can a soul? Plus Maya, she was pretty aged by the time she had Kanhaiya. So an old lady, she's running. So very quickly she ran out of breath. And she starts panting for breath. Poor lady. अब कन्हैया को दया आ गई. दया आ गई कन्हैया. तो अपने आप को मैया के अंदर में कर दिया. और मैया ने सोचा हमने पकड़ लिया. Seeing this condition, and because he loves Maya so much, Kanhaiya, feeling overcome with compassion for Maya, and seeing her condition, he lets himself be caught by her. He slows himself down. Maya cannot catch him. No soul can catch Bhagwan. But he allows himself. And Maya thinks, I got him. अब क्या करे? तो मैया अभी तो वही डंडा हाथ में है. मैया ने पकड़ लिया और डंडा दिखाने लगी. और मैया वो कान पकड़ के ले गए. उखल में बांधने लगे. आप बांध देंगे, आज खाना नहीं मिलेंगे. So Maya is showing the stick to him. Kanhaiya is afraid. He's really, remember, through the power of Yog Maya, Kanhaiya has forgotten he is Bhagavan. So he's really thinking I am the son. And she's going to beat me. He's real fear. He's not acting. He's really afraid. Maya is holding by the ears. And she takes him and goes, there's something called a ukhal. Ukhal, long ago, there was no machine for ponging rice and all of that. So they used to use something called a mortar and a pestle. Musal or ukhal. So ukhal is the mortar. It's hollowed inside, a huge trunk of a tree hollowed out. So she gets this ukhal and she decides, today you have to get punishment. No food. At least one time, no food for you. You cannot go to play with your friends and no food. I'm going to tie you. So Maiya now starts to tie Kanhaiya with a rope. बांधने लगे. So Maiya is tying Kanhaiya, but when she's about to make the knot to tie him, it is 2 fingers short. Do ungal. So she calls the other cowhoods, the cowhood women, the other gopis, please bring more rope. So everybody's bringing rope and Maiya is adding, and she goes to tie the knot again, still 2 fingers short. All the rope in Gokul has been brought. सारे रस्सी लाया सब ने, अब बांध नहीं सकते. भगवान को कैसे बांधेंगे? How can we tie God? The lesson here. तो भगवान के कैसे बांधेंगे? जब तक भगवान अपने आप को नहीं बंधवा देते हैं, unless God allows himself to be bounded, we cannot tie him. अब एक ही चीज से बांध सकते. One thing alone can tie God. How can we tie God? How can we bind him to us? One thing. So Shri Krishna says to Durvasa, Aham bhakta paradhino hya swatantra ivadvij sadhu bhirgrasta hridayo bhaktair bhakta jana priya. Hey Durvasa, Bhagavad Mahapuran 9 Canto 4 chapter 63rd verse. People say I am supremely independent, free. No one and nothing can tie me, control me. Param swatantra nasir balako. No one, nothing can tie God, can bind God. Not a yog, no gyan, no karm, no yogi, no rishi, no one. The scripture says, yes, but there is something that can tie me. Something can control me. Aham bhakta paradhinaha. I am bounded, I am tied by the love of those who love me. Love me. One thing. I am no longer free. When it comes to those who love me, the only thing can tie Bhagavan is prem, love. Nothing else can tie Bhagavan. We want to bring Bhagavan in our heart and he becomes a slave to that devotee. Grasta Hridayo, he says to the Brasa, they have eaten my heart. In other words, I have become a slave to that devotee. Nirapeksham munim shantam niravainam samadarshanam anubrajamiham nityam puyetang ghirenu. Bhagavad Mahapuran 11 Canto 14 chapter 16 verse. Bhagavan Krishna says to Uddhav, to my fully surrendered devotee, I become a slave. I run after them for the dust of their feet. I crave the dust of the feet of my fully surrendered devotee, those who love me. So God says, I am no longer free. They tie me, bind me up with the rope, the cords of their love, and makes me dance like a monkey dances to the tune of the trainer. Whatever devotee wants, God has to do. Ram sada sevak ruchi rakhi, Veda Puran sadhu sur sakhi. God is compelled to do whatever a devotee wants. Compelled. Devotee means love. Not Tommy, you're not praying, Tommy, oh Mata. Lord, you're my mummy, but I have a mummy home too. You can't fool Bhagwan. You are saying to God, you alone are my mummy. Twamev, Tvam, you, Ev, alone. You alone are my mummy. From the mouth and in the heart, maybe also my mother, but this is my real mother. This is my mummy. This is my papa. This is my child. This is my sister. This is my money. How can Bhagwan alone be my money? Tvameva dravinang tvameva. So we lie to God. We lie. No, bhakti has to come from inside. The words used by the saints to describe how to love God, it sounds so materialistic and so worldly. Tulsidasi says in the Ramayana, we have to love God like how a lustful man would love, a lustful woman would love, or a lustful man loves a woman. I love God. We don't know what love even means. No, but that kind of love. When we love God above and beyond everything. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. You alone are my everything. I know no one and nothing but you alone, Shyam Sundar. You alone, Sri Krishna. Then we will tie him up with our love. That cord will tie Bhagwan. Radha Rani, while Maya is trying to tie Kanhaiya, इतने में राधा रानी आए. तो राधा रानी के छोटी से उन्होंने छोटा सी वो जो बांधते हैं ना लड़की, मैया को दिया और मैया बांध दिया. Radha Rani came same time, and you know girls, so she has her braid, and she in the end of the braid she is tied with a little ribbon. She takes that and gives to Maya. Maya takes that, immediately Kanhaiya is tied. Many different. He allows himself, but this is the divine love. He is tied by love. भगवान, अब ये इसमें देखो, ये परम ब्रह्म, ये जीव है, कौन बांध सकते? ये भगवान ने यहां दिखाया कि भक्तों भक्त के उनके प्रेम के शरण में है. जो भक्त चाहते हैं, भक्त लोग जो भगवान से प्रेम करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, तो भगवान को अपने अंदर में ले जाते, अंदर में ले जाते हैं. अब भगवान मुक्त नहीं है, पराधीन, वो स्वतंत्र सब गया. So this one of the greatest lesson in this beautiful narration here is that God is under the control of the love of those who love Him. He's no longer free. Supreme Lord allows himself to be tied by an old lady, a jiva soul. Impossible is happening because of Maya's love. This is the great thing of prem. This is the real prem. We don't know. Bhagwan Krishna says in Gita, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tans tathaiva bhajamyaham. Chapter 4, verse 11, Gita. How an individual loves me, But whatever feeling, I return that love in the same amount, the same feeling in the same way. If you're scared, then you also pretends he's scared of you also too. How much you make him yours? Just as how you behave, he behaves in the same way. Those of us who were very fortunate to be in the association of that great saint, Descension of Radha Krishna, Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, saw however devotee behaved, Sri Maharaji would behave in the same way. He'd become childlike with such devotees who were like childlike with him, would become like a child. And yet at times would be so serious and so aloof, because that's how the devotees behave. And however you behaved, he behaved in the same way. In the same exact way. He personified that teaching for us. You want him to come close, then you have to make him yours. Don't have any distance, any feeling of distance. He is mine. The more you make that in the heart, the more strong, then he will come. He will be yours. So we'll have to realize that he alone is my everything. This is the gist of this beautiful narration. There's more we will hear some other time. बोले बाल गोपाल की, कन्हैया लाल की, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे.